Okay, this is Ian's friend, Spencer, and he is going to tell you about something that he made while Ian was in D.C. for a field trip.
This is a geometric soccer ball that I made when Ian was at D.C. And it took 2 days to make. It's made with little poster board pieces. Almost 50 of them. And it took 2 days to make.
Wow.
And it's black and yellow, so I could do this. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. You know what it is. And I could just do that. And it's held apart. It's held together by little rubber bands. And it took 2 days for the rubber bands. It's hexagons and pentagons.
Hexagons and pentagons.
And I'm going to say go Tigers, because this is a hat that I got signed by a lot of Clemson football players. Go Tigers. And shout out to my teacher, because she likes Tigers. Go DC. It's purple.
Even though it looks blue through the camera.
It's purple. Okay, now for Ian. Oh, peace.